How to grow long, thick eyelashes quickly. Today, I will talk about the necessity of certain substances in our body to ensure the correct and prolonged growth of eyelashes. I will also discuss the reasons why they become thin and lose their normal thickness. There are approximately 200 hair follicles in each eyelid, and the lashes grow from these follicles. This growth goes through two stages, the growth phase and the resting phase. When eyelashes become sparse or thin, there may be an issue in one of these stages, which can sometimes be a challenging medical condition. Terminology. There are some technical terms which I will try to simplify so that you can understand them easily and grasp the underlying root cause. If we understand only the basic concept, an eyelash is essentially a protein. Proteins are made from amino acids, which are built from trace minerals. Just like how raw materials are used to build a house, with bricks being the building blocks, similarly, protein's raw material consists of trace minerals like zinc, iron, copper, iodine, and selenium. These are the minerals that our body requires in very small amounts, but are essential for various bodily functions. However, trace minerals are required for normal functioning. These trace minerals are utilized in producing amino acids, which are then used to create proteins. These proteins are further utilized by the body. They are interconnected in a sequence. When any trace mineral is missing in the body, it disrupts this sequence, causing a breakdown in structure. It's similar to how the fertility of soil depends on the presence of essential nutrients. The healthier the soil, the healthier the plant. Likewise, if the soil lacks these nutrients, the plant won't thrive. So, the plants start to deteriorate. These unhealthy plants are then consumed by animals, and then humans consume the meat of these animals. So we can't call this meat healthy meat because it lacks those essential substances which our body needs for growth, because these are the trace minerals used in making enzymes, vitamins like B12, antioxidants. So, their presence is very important. Now, if we delve into this and understand the mechanism, the reason behind this is a deficiency of a gland in the body. Prostaglandin deficiency is a very deep medical term. In simple terms, this is a signaling molecule, much like a hormone, that works in the body to carry out signaling. It carries messages throughout the body, containing instructions for how the body should function and what actions to take. So, due to this deficiency of the prostaglandin, there is inflammation in the hair follicles, leading to hair loss. Sometimes, these prostaglandin can also overgrow in the body, causing a rash, and various types of signals are received by the body. The body cannot process these instructions quickly enough, leading to the onset of headaches. For example, if someone takes aspirin for a headache, it goes into the body and blocks certain prostaglandins, inhibiting their mode of action, which relieves the headache. Similarly, the medicines given for eyelash growth activate these prostaglandin receptors. This prostaglandin is called prostaglandin F2 alpha or PGF2 alpha. Referring to it as PGF2 alpha in short form sounds a bit smarter. Now, if you remember the mention of trace minerals at the beginning of the video, there are actually only two things what you need to know that will correct the deficiency of this prostaglandin. Number one is resorcinol acid. This acid not only helps in regrowing eyelashes, but also thickens them, giving them proper texture. Number two is zinc. When there is a deficiency of zinc in the body cannot produce this prostaglandin. Zinc and other trace minerals not only produce enzymes in the body, but also produce these signaling molecules called prostaglandins. Zinc produces testosterone for the immune system and is involved in various biochemical reactions in the body. There are many reports where people have mentioned that when they started taking zinc, their hair grew faster. If you're considering zinc supplements, opt for a reputable brand that contains other trace minerals as well. Then there's resorcinol acid, which is essentially castor oil. It is also used for constipation and is applied during labor induction in women during delivery. This is also a very good skin moisturizer and is very effective for dandruff. Many women have been using it for a long time for eyelash growth. Try to use cold pressed oil, as it is unrefined and better than other commercial oils. So, there's castor oil, and then there's zinc castor oil. You'll apply castor oil externally on your skin and take zinc in oral supplement form. This way, you'll be able to treat the issue from both inside and outside. So, the lesson in this video is to understand the symptoms and grasp the underlying root cause of the issue. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you're benefiting from my videos, then do share them with others. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.